It won't open, look. And it won't tickle.
Alright, Deadlock's here again. Today we're doing a steady hand game, handcuffed. Why are you shaking your head?
Don't like these.
I know, I'm crap at them too.
No, I'm scared of them.
You're scared of them?
Yeah, they scare
That's even
me.
better.
Ow, don't do it like that. No. That hurts. And you know it hurts.
Doesn't hurt.
Yes, it does. That was
go.
a bit tight, like.
So we want to see who can get the furthest. First of all, we're going to do a handcuffed in front of us. And then we're going to do another round where we're handcuffed behind our back.
I'm doing this.
The furthest I've actually got about here.
Just to show it is on. It's a horrible one.
That's horrible.
Makes a lot of noise. Okay, I'm going.
We're using the rigid cuffs as well, just so you have to have two steady hands instead of one.
Oh my god. It's not funny.
It's kind of funny.
It's not.
Okay, so while Miss Deadlocks gets rid of her anxiety attack,
Oh my
it's up
god.
for my turn.
Okay, I need to admit a bit of an issue. Mr. Deadlock genuinely did just get really far, but I didn't press the right button to record.
Yes, the furthest I've ever got was to there, and I just got to there.
But there's no evidence of it whatsoever. I'm so
And
sorry.
I got excited because for once things went well on camera.
I'm so sorry. I pressed the square instead of pressing the play button. I'm sorry, you need to do it again.
I know. Either way, I've won that round though, because
I'll let you have that one, but I want to see how far you can get again. It's because you're on camera, it genuinely is.
these cameras hate me.
You genuinely did get over there. I will let you have that. That was completely my fault. I'm so sorry.
So I'm rubbish at this game. That's the furthest I've ever got with any of these games ever.
And I didn't record it. You blatantly touched there. You even heard the tap. You genuinely touched twice there. Right, okay, we'll pause it, we'll go and we'll start and stick it behind your back. 1 second. This is actually recording this time. So, it really is.
So I'm going to suck it anyway. To be honest, I think we should have gone with the ASPs for this.
You chose the cuffs. I have no knowledge of cuffs whatsoever. Go on, you have 3 turns to get as far as you can.
Right, so having best of 3. Can you move them a little closer to the edge, please?
Oh yeah. The bear.
Like right up against the edge.
It's number 2. I swear I get a fright every time. We do well. Did well there though. You should turn the keys the right way this time. Still recording, so don't say any naughty words.
You shouldn't say stuff like that to me.
Why? I can't get the key out. I'm useless at cuffs.
You only seem to have a problem with these cuffs.
No, I have a problem with the other ones as well. Right, keys up right this time. I don't think the rigid cuffs are going to work with my arm. I'm going to have to do it that way. That's fine.
There you got it.
Yeah. Just don't make it too tight.
There you go.
Still recording, yeah.
Yep.
And I get best of 3 as well.
No, you get best of 2 because you didn't
No,
press
that's
play.
cheating.
You didn't press play though.
So? Okay then.
Right, you've already lost
No.
one turn.
Got higher than your first turn.
Well, there's-
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. You're scared.
I'm scared.
You're just scared I'm going to beat you.
That was 3 turns.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
No, it wasn't. Genuinely wasn't.
Wait. You haven't broke it.
I did it! Yes! I won! Okay, one more. Okay, ready? Still beat you!
You didn't. How many times did you say what word there?
Is that bloody?
No, you said the F word twice.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No, I didn't.
You did.
I would never swear. I'm a young, innocent woman.
You
Tank
better
is
edit
watching like
this. You
what?
better edit this one now because like.
Tank's just watching like what on earth are those people doing?
I think the problem that you have with these is just a springy feeling thing on each side of the turn.
Are you recording still?
Yes.
All right. No, I think the problem I have with them is the keys are just rubbish. Just...
Someone dropped the phone.
You!
Wasn't me.
You knocked the table over.
It was you with your steady hands.
It says you.
Anyway, that's all from us.
You gotta...
I'm waiting to see if you jump in first again this time.
Well, you like I said last time, see you next time.
Alright, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.